Hi, it's Grammie Moe. Time to become a reading pro. Let's talk about blending and segmenting. They are both stages of phonemic awareness. Blending is just being aware of how the sounds blend together to make a word, and segmenting is just breaking the word apart. You must say the letter sounds correctly when you do this activity. Remember, B is not ba. Chop the off. B is just b. You can play this game in the car. Start by breaking a word apart for your child and have your child blend it back together. For example, cat. And see if your child can guess the word cat. Then continue on with different words like dog, and then pig, cow, etc. You can sound bigger words as they improve. Blending will be easier for them, but eventually you can have them segment or break apart the word, and you have to guess it. You can add a visual to this game at home, just by using index cards and a marker. You write each letter on a card, and your child can push the card as they sound each letter. As they get older, some cards will need to be pushed together, like blends and vowel combinations. A great book to enhance this activity is called Making Words by Patricia Cunningham and Dorothy Hall. They have books on different grade levels with lessons that are helpful for sounding bigger words. 98% of our words can be sounded out, so sounding is important. The other 2% are sight words, and we will talk about them more on another video.